Okay, let's talk about some commands that are left in Microsoft Word insert menu. These are some little commands. Let's see them. These are, first of all, we have some commands relevant to text. First of all, we have text box. Text box is used to add some text box on our pages. For example, I want to add a sidebar on my page. How I can do it? I will just go there and select a sidebar. Like we need sidebars in CVs often, and we have sidebars in books also. Okay, some authors like a sidebar at each page. Why? They want to explain what they are talking about. So for that purpose, they add sidebar on the side of page. Now we can explain something here. For example, in this topic, I'm going to explain RDBMS. So I will write a short definition of RDBMS here. Often these type of boxes are added on the left of books and also on the right of CVs. If you want to remove it, just go over there and click the border of the box and click delete button. If you want to add some quotes, then you have quotation boxes here. Okay, for example, these are the samples of quotation boxes. Just choose a quotation box of your choice and add it to your document. Like I'm going to add a simple quote box from here. Let's see, this is a good one. We can add any type of quote here. Okay, just we have to click and type the code or paste it inside the box. If you want to remove the box, just click the border of your box and press the delete button from your keyboard. In the similar manner, you have got a lot of text boxes, a lot of sidebars. For example, last time we were using a box in CV, but we were making it by ourselves. We have got ready-made CV sidebar here. Okay, we can add it and add the information on it also. It contains the text boxes. Also, you can choose it and type the text whatever you want to type. Okay. If you don't want it, just click the border of the box and press delete button from your keyboard. Next to that, what can we see here? These are quick parts. What are the quick parts? For example, I want to write the author name at the end of the document. What is the author name here? We'll go inside and click auto text or document property and select author. It will choose my name because this is my computer. That is why it is selecting my name. Okay. In the similar manner, you have got a lot more document properties that can be added on your pages. Next to that, we can see the word art. What is word art? These are the stylish text that we can add to our documents. Let's see how can we do it. We'll go to text box and choose a style of our choice and type some text here. For example, I'm going to type my name. Now we can edit the font style. We can reduce the size or increase the size by going to home menu and choosing the font style of our own choice. For example, I'm going to choose the copper black for this. I want to increase the font size. I can change the font size from home menu also. If I want to add some other color to text, I will go to text color and choose the color of my own choice. In the similar manner, we have got a shape format menu here that contains a lot more tools that can edit this text. For example, if you want to apply some formatting from here, you can choose any of the typical formatting style. It will be applied to your text. If you don't want it, just go over there and choose the preset of without background or transparent preset. Okay. Next to that, you have fill, you have outline, you have styles. For example, we have already applied a reflection style on our text. I want to apply another style, that is glow. It will add a glow to my text. We have quick styles also. We can choose any of them from here also. Okay. Next to that, we have transformations. We can transform this text to any format, whatever we want. For example, I want to make a circle of it. I can make this circular in direction. Okay. If you don't want this text, just click on the border of the text and press delete button from your keyboard. Next command is drop cap. What is drop cap? We often see it in English newspapers. In English newspaper, wherever the column starts, we can see a large word. That is called drop cap. How can we make it in Microsoft Word? Just choose a word and go over command, insert, text, drop cap, and choose dropped or in margin. You can choose both of these styles. I have selected dropped. If you want to drop it more, just click and drag it outward. It will drop it as much as you want. If you don't want this drop cap, just go over the drop cap command again and click none button. It will remove the drop cap. Okay. Next to that, we can see a signature line. What is it meant for? It is used to add a signature space at the end of the document. Let's see. Microsoft Office signature line, and now it is asking about the signer name who will sign the document. Signer's designation. You can add a designation over here, and signer's email address. You can add an email address over here. And now just click OK, and sign space will be added to your page. If you want to add some date and time with it, go to insert, text, date and time, and choose the date and time of your choice and click OK. Date and time will also be added to your page. If you don't want it, just select and remove it from your page by clicking delete button. Next to that, we can see another command, that is object. Object command, we often use it to add, if we want to merge two files. Then we use the object command. For example, I have some text in this file and some other text in other file. I want to merge the data of both files together. For that purpose, I will go to object and choose text from file. And now we have for example, I want to add this DBMS below RDBMS. I will choose this file and click insert. All the data that I have typed for DBMS will be added to this document. Okay. Now you can see that I have two topics on this document. Earlier it was only about RDBMS. So that's how you can add the data from other files. If you don't want it, just press Ctrl Z before saving the file. Okay. I will press Ctrl Z and it will remove all the data. If I have saved the file, it will not be removed again. Okay. Now, next to that, we can see another command, that is equation. This is very important command for mathematicians. We have got mathematical equations, pre-made mathematical equations. We can choose any of them and add it to our page. If you don't want it this way, you want to type your own equation, then what to do? Then we'll go again this command and we'll choose another option, insert a new equation. In this way, we can add equation of our choice. How? For example, I want, first of all, I want this power. I've selected the power. But now I want some brackets around. How much brackets? This type brackets. Okay. Now I want again some to write again some text again. Now I will click A plus B and I will type power 2. After typing that, I need equal to. I will press equal to from my keyboard. Now I will add this power and I will type A square. I've got the symbol of plus, minus, multiply above the toolbar here. We can add it from here and we can type it from our keyboard also. Okay, now I'm going to type it from my keyboard. A square plus B square and again plus 2AB. So this equation bar helped me to add an equation on my page. This is the way Microsoft is offering you how to add equations on your page. There is another way also, that is about adding a plugin known as math type. We can add plugins in Microsoft Word also. I will tell you later how to add plugins when there will be a command of adding plugin. Then I'll show you how to add additional plugin in Microsoft Word. In that we'll discuss math type also. Next is the symbols. Symbols are used for decoration on pages. You have got a lot of symbols over here. You can choose any of the symbols you want to add on your page. You can go and select more categories by clicking more symbols. Here we have a largest category of symbol that which by the name of wingdings. It contains a lot more symbols. You can choose any of the symbol that you want to add on your page and just click insert. It will be added to your page immediately. Then you can close it also. If you want to resize the symbols or change the color of the symbol, just go to home menu and choose the size of your own choice, choose the color of your own choice, choose the style of your own choice, like text. Okay, you can apply any style, any color, any size on your symbols also. If you don't want symbols, just select the symbols and press delete button from your keyboard. This will be removed from your pages.